September 2006, a major event occurred in the field of astronomy. The International Astronomical Union officially announced that Pluto would be removed from the list of 9 planets. This decision immediately caused a stir in the astronomical community. It should be known that since Clyde Tombaugh first discovered Pluto in 1930, it has always been regarded as the 9th planet. Pluto is more than 7.3 billion kilometers away from the Sun, and it takes 5.5 hours for sunlight to reach Pluto. Even the Hubble telescope cannot see its true appearance clearly. Therefore, Pluto has always been shrouded in mystery. To unveil its hidden veil, the New Horizons spacecraft was successfully launched in 2006. Due to the great distance to Pluto, the initial speed of New Horizons was very fast, and during its journey to Pluto, it used the gravity of Jupiter and Saturn as gravitational assists, shortening the travel time by 3 years. After completing its exploration of Jupiter, New Horizons entered a hibernation state to save power and complete its mission. After a long journey of 9 years, New Horizons officially arrived at Pluto on July 14, 2015, with the closest distance to the surface being only 13,695 kilometers. This was an exciting moment, as images of Pluto were sent back to Earth. Scientists finally saw the true appearance of this extremely cold world. It turns out that Pluto is so beautiful. Its surface not only has a large amount of ice, volcanoes, and irregular large hills, but also 3,000-kilometer-long whale-shaped rift. This also indicates that Pluto is still undergoing geological activity. In addition, there is a special celestial body that has also attracted the attention of scientists, which is Pluto's largest moon, Charon. Charon's orbit is very close to Pluto, and the two are tidally locked to each other, always maintaining the same position and looking at each other from afar. The most noticeable feature of Pluto is the star-shaped pattern on its surface, which spans 1,590 kilometers and forms a sharp contrast with the surrounding terrain colors. New Horizons' exploration revealed that this star-shaped area is actually a plain of frozen nitrogen. Scientists have named it the heart of Pluto. If you are also curious, it is hard to imagine that the surface temperature of Pluto is as low as 229 degrees Celsius. We can no longer describe it as cold. At such a frigid temperature, the ice on Pluto is similar to water ice on Earth, capable of flowing like glaciers. The polygonal convection cells within the ice plain are actually formed by sublimation, indicating that their formation time is not long, possibly only about 10 million years. The nearby dark orange areas, with many craters, suggest an even older history. Moreover, New Horizons discovered a thin atmosphere on the far side of Pluto, which looks breathtakingly beautiful. However, its atmospheric pressure is very low, only about 1/1,000,000 of the pressure at Earth's surface. Under such pressure and temperature, liquid nitrogen may form on Pluto's surface. In 2022, scientists discovered through research that not only are there giant ice volcanoes on Pluto's surface, but there may also be liquid oceans beneath the surface, which could hint at the possibility of life. Finally, there is a touching romantic story in this exploration mission. The spacecraft carried 28 grams of Tombaugh's ashes. New Horizons was launched on January 19, 2006, on Tombaugh's 100th birthday. To commemorate his outstanding contributions to the field of astronomy, Tombaugh, who never saw Pluto clearly in his lifetime, has now become the closest person to this planet. The heart of Pluto was subsequently named Tombaugh Regio. Moreover, New Mexico and Illinois in the United States, where Tombaugh once lived, still insist on calling Pluto the 9th planet. To this date, in his memory, perhaps this is the charm of astronomy.